Do you love Gunpla? We love Gunpla. I'm Paul, this is Jeff, and we are Gunpla SA. Nice. Cool. Yeah.
Wow. Hey, how's it going?
Whoa, what's up, Gold Force?
Hey,
Yo, I just got
okay.
smacked in the face by some really amazing news. I'm Paul, that's Jeff behind the camera.
Yes.
We're Gunpla SA, and we are very excited because we got something super cool in. And that is, what is that, Jeff?
It's the long-awaited
Is it
Gundam
Card Game? Da 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 da.
Yes. So
Yeah,
very
so
excited to get into them and show you guys.
yeah, so that's really cool. So for those of you guys that are card gamers or like TCG players, and this is like exciting for us because you guys are getting into the world of Gunpla. For those of you that are Gundam builders, it's exciting because you guys are getting to the world of TCGs, and we know a lot of you already do enjoy TCGs. And then there's guys like me who I'll be honest, I don't care about TCGs so much, but I love the miniatures. So there's a whole lot of cool stuff to unpack here today. And we are amped. And also, just before we get into all of this good stuff, this is not the first time Gunpla, they've done a Gundam card game. There've been many over the years, but this is the first one that feels like it's exclusively
international.
Yeah, that it's international, and that it's actually not marketed by a third party, but it's actually Bandai themselves pushing this to be a thing. And that's really cool, and it's cool to see Bandai's full weight behind something like this, because we've seen tons of influencers, there's Instagrams, there's YouTube videos, everything talking about this card game getting hype. Checking out the previews. I remember when we all watched the preview of this thing at one of the Bandai presentation things. It's cool. It's really cool.
And I feel like, personally, I feel there's a lot of confidence with this new card game, Gundam Card Game, because like Bandai, they've done other card games as well. Like their One Piece is also very big.
That's been kicking butt.
The Dragon Ball, there's the Digimons. So they've taken a lot of experiences, and now this is their latest one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And
really
also, we're going to jump in and show you these things, but one last little thing I want to say is thank you to everybody, especially you, the Build Force, who have been patient, who have waited for your pre-orders to come in, especially those of you guys who have pre-ordered through us. Thank you so much. Your patience and your diligence is really appreciated. We think it's super cool of you, and I can't wait to see you guys start your little games and leagues and all that stuff.
Come to the build meet with a jam,
Yes, and I will be I can't tell you which one I'm going to be painting because I actually don't know, but I'll be painting one of these.
Cards, man. These are cards.
That's right. So I'm going to be painting one of the miniatures up for my stream.
Wait, there's miniatures?
There's miniatures? Yeah, so you're going to check it out soon?
I thought it's just these. Oh, sorry guys. Just want to let you guys know. So yeah, we got the theme decks and also the Gundam symbols, which we'll show you. The boosters, however, it's going to be a part 2 of this unboxing.
Yeah, so that's it's actually kind of exciting because I see it as a little bit of a blessing in disguise that we didn't get the boosters at the same time.
So we can like space them out a little bit, Feature
because also it's quite a lot of dosh, to drop onto these things right now. And so I think when they come in next week, you guys have had a chance to just be able to like go, okay, cool, where's my mind at? Where's my head at?
So today, we're going to be releasing the theme decks, and then next week we'll be expecting the boosters. Yes.
That's correct.
Yeah.
And Jeff, you want to show them the theme decks, dude?
So currently, Bandai has released 4 theme decks, or starter decks. There's the 01, 02, 03, and 04. So 01 is Heroic Beginning, which has the RX-78-2, the classic, and also the latest, which are Mercury. Well, not the latest, but like one of the latest, yeah. So it's like the classic and the new. And the second set is Wing of Advance, which is Gundam Wing series featured. Zeon's Rush is all the Zeon guys and the Neo Zeon, with Shah Zaku, right there. Actually, me featured, right? Yeah. So this is great. Like for me personally, I like having these cards to match with my model kits that I have in my collection.
It's cool for like your display stand or something as well, if you don't want to play the game, for example.
So there's Shinanju, and then the last one is Seed Strike. So obviously this one is got the cards featuring the suits from Seed. So it's got the Strike Gundam, Aegis, all sorts. Yeah.
Sweet. And these are like, and then as you guys can see, they got different colors. So there's like a blue and a white. That's not just design. That's actually the color
Like
for the deck.
apparently strategies or something, or
Yes.
the pairings.
Yeah, the type of.
Yeah.
So it's much like how Magic has different colors and how different colors give you different kind of gameplay styles. This is the same kind of thing here.
Yeah.
But we're going to figure that out
when
in the
we
next
play.
one when we've actually had a
Yes.
chance to play it.
Yes, yeah. Cool.
And then there's these bigger boxes.
Yeah,
What's
bigger
happening
box.
here?
So this is a dual kind of combo. So it's got the Gundam Card Game, you know, just as a starter deck, but also it features 3 miniatures in each of these boxes of the Gundam Assemble. So what Gundam Assemble is that the tabletop gaming that Bandai is going to be releasing, it's going to be next year that they're going to have a full release, but now
Yes.
they're releasing it early.
So we're
with
getting
the
a taste.
special
Yeah.
pack, yeah.
So,
So in this one we've got Gun Cannon, the RX-78-2, the Gun Tank. What do we have here? In the
Tall Goose.
yeah, Torgis over there. There's the Leo and the Space Type Leo.
Yay.
Yeah. In this one, what do we have? Who's that?
It's Shah's Red Comet. It's Slender and Denim.
Okay.
Or
it
maybe
can-
the other way around. I
It can
never
be
remember.
anybody.
Anybody.
So Zaku's.
But
Yeah.
it's 3 Zaku's in a box.
Yes,
This
yeah.
is actually very
Awesome,
exciting for
sweet,
Jeff
yeah.
and I. And then
The last pack, we've got the Skyscraper.
the Skyscraper, Sky Striker.
Yeah.
The Sky Striker.
Sky
Sky Grasper.
Sky Grasper. Yeah, there you go.
Hey,
With the
amateurs
yeah,
today.
yeah. It's like people is like, oh, do they know their Gundam knowledge? Yeah, and it's got the Ale Striker pack attached. There's the Sword Strike Gundam and the Launcher Strike Gundam. Yeah.
And
yes.
this has actually got some interchangeability. So
Yeah.
that's quite interesting.
Cool.
Okay.
Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna
Anyway.
show you guys a bit of unboxing. You know, like it's not a fun boxing video if you don't show you what's
Exactly,
inside the
right.
box. So
Yeah,
we're
that
gonna
was just us being like so in there. Now we have to stand up.
Yes.
Okay, so just so you guys know, this is basically it's this with miniatures.
Yes,
okay.
yeah.
So,
So-
it's the starter deck, or should I say your prefab deck with
extra miniatures, yeah.
Okay, just so that you guys know what you're getting into.
and then can we just ask like, what is the miniatures about? Do they actually affect the gameplay, or is it just like something cool?
From what I've seen, they will be useful for the Gundam Assemble game.
Yes,
Because you need them because they're miniatures. But right now in the card game, they're just more like your avatar
Yes, yeah.
kind of thing. So it's just you bring them to
It's
the
like
table.
Yu-Gi-Oh, but you actually summon real.
So let's just get this bad boy open here. And yeah, guys, just please be careful. Sorry, it's just that this.
Knife is sharp.
Yeah, and also like, geez, they're like not messing around. This tape is huge.
There you go.
This is the big tape. Okay, cool, we got.
Got it.
Okay, so this is everything you get in the box.
Show us.
Ooh, okay, so we got
Okay.
runners.
Yeah.
We got
some
quick start guide.
Yeah.
Or I think
Probably
this is the
some
quick
rules.
start guide.
Yeah, I
There's
think
some
this is
rules.
the rules. But also, let's
Ooh.
open this. I think it's got the actual board. So on the back side is.
Yes,
there's-
there we go. It's
yeah,
just your like,
what you call these? The board.
player
some-
mat.
Play
whatever,
mat. There you
yeah.
go. It's a paper play mat.
And it's but it's like kind of a quick
Yeah.
start because
Yeah,
I
and
think
also they give you like reminders on how things work. Kind of
trash,
Yeah.
trash. Anyway,
Cool. That's really awesome. Yeah.
so I think everybody's like, wow, thank you guys. Really want to see the paperwork. That's so cool. But they actually want to see the plastic.
Oh,
so
and
here's
here's the manual.
Yeah, there's the assembly, the instructions.
Yeah. Pretty straightforward.
Very straight, especially if you have built Gunpla kits or other miniatures. Please remember you do need to use nippers and you do need to use, well, you don't have to have a glue, but
Yeah.
that all
these
depends
are
on you.
Snap.
These are snap builds.
Okay. So there's the 3 packs of Gundam assembles. We're gonna play a game actually. between
Yeah,
me and
because
Paul
like
to
between
see
Jeff and
how
I,
we
who
split
decides
it,
who gets to play. Okay, so our strap here was a little bit loose apparently.
There you go.
So I'm just gonna take these out, like kind of. I'm gonna do this kind of unceremoniously. Sorry,
Totally,
guys.
totally not us getting super excited to have a sneak peek.
Or anything like that. Yeah. Just gotta keep it covered up.
Wink, wink.
So there's your tokens.
Okay, so yeah,
that's
tokens, or counters, whatever you
Okay.
want to call it.
Then I'm just gonna go from the back. I think these are
I think
the
like what you call it?
placeholders or something.
Counters.
Yeah, I think
or-
these could be the counters. I'm not sure, but anyway, some nice.
Sorry,
equipment.
I'm using like Magic Gathering terminology here.
Yeah, unit token. So these are like these are tokens.
Or like proxies.
There's
There-
resources.
Resources, yeah.
Okay, so that's the boring stuff, and then here's the
Yeah,
exciting
let's show
stuff.
the front. Yeah,
So
it's a
there's the
holographic
Sinanju.
Shinanju.
Yeah, so Sinanju looks like you get 2 of them.
Ooh, so but they're different though. Look, the artwork is a bit different.
Is it?
Yeah, so this one's a bit more zoomed in.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. They both look the same to
See,
me.
like the legs stops. Oh yeah. Okay, you're right.
Jeff's
right,
just
sorry.
excited. He just wants the cards to be different. Although having said that, I have
Ooh,
heard there are differences. There's like there's a foil one, and then there's like a super rare one, which is the same card essentially, but different.
But I think you'll get them in the booster packs.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far just like I'm seeing some UC stuff. I'm just gonna skip through here, but this is the red. These are red cards. Then I'm gonna move to like what looks like the green
People
cards.
say, "Oh, why are there duplicates?" It's like when you have duplicates, it increases your chances of drawing them.
Yeah, of
So
course.
it's like people that want to chase the meta, they want to have more of the good cards.
Hey,
duplicates.
no,
Yeah,
I'm kidding. It's sure.
it's that,
Indignation, Angela
it's
Salper.
that guy that simps for the full frontal.
Full frontal. There's a Lula.
Cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's
Anyway,
not
so you
goes-
guys can just get a good idea of the cards here.
Yeah, you
now
guys
then-
can enjoy your own unboxings.
I actually want to put those over there just so that it's not a. But
and then let's check this. We're gonna open up for you guys.
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
Get to
So-
witness it.
okay,
So
so
there's a
oh, they
little
actually
tier.
got one. I don't have to do the old school.
Yeah. So what this pack is like a bonus pack of one holographic card guaranteed.
Okay.
We don't know what the rarity of the card is, but yeah. it
Okay,
is
I'm always
guaranteed holographic.
scared of this.
Yeah.
It's a red
Ooh.
corner.
We're gonna
I'm gonna show the back.
show the back and we flip it. Part of the cards, eh?
Yeah.
What is it?
And
Whoa! It's,
Sinanju.
this is a
This
like
is-
ultra rare Sinanju, yeah?
Yeah,
Or something. I
that's
don't know.
very,
I don't know
very
what
cool.
the rarity is.
I just want to. I just want to just taste it quickly. Yummy.
So let's do a comparison. So
Yeah.
the main artwork is pretty much the same, but yeah, this one's more zoomed in and it's got the emblem at the back. Oh, that's super awesome, dude.
Keep touching the
Yeah.
front. Sorry. No, I'm just coming from like having handled TCGs a lot, so I don't like to touch foil cards in the
Oh,
front.
that's awesome. Yeah.
But yeah, it's amazing, dude. So that's the foil card. Okay, let's take a minute just to quickly look at the miniatures
Yes. Yeah.
because we have to play our little game.
Yes.
And then the other thing, there's something cool. There's something we want to tell you about the cards, but we're going to only tell you after we've checked out the miniatures.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Cool. So we're gonna slice it open just to get a good, or just rip it open.
I'm just going to rip it open.
Yeah. Let's get a closer look.
Okay, and then I'm going to rip it open that way. I'm going to
Cool.
slice it open. I just want it to be neater. Don't do that at home. I said neater, but I still cut it like, you know, as if I was using a machete.
Okay. So each of them have their own like. It's one runner that has the whole.
Yeah,
figure,
so
eh?
here's a runner
The
for the...
bases. Did it really have to have the bases on? Oh, I suppose because it has the little pole thing here.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Also, it's actually quite nice to cut them off yourself because then at least you won't have a horrible nub like
Yeah,
some...
because like doesn't like Warhammer just punch like the stand is just on its own?
No,
kind of
no,
thing?
they actually are clipped off something.
Is it?
Sometimes they don't always have the best.
Hmm.
But I don't want to compare it to them right
Okay,
now.
right.
That's
So
not fair.
yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So there's B2,
Mm-hmm.
B1, B2, and
B3,
B3.
yeah. Cool.
Okay. So let's have a look. This B1 looks like...
Let's get a closer look.
This looks like Shah. Yeah, there it says
Yeah,
Shah
yeah,
Zaku
it's
2.
got the antenna there. Yeah.
It's interesting for me to see that in English. 'Cause usually that's
'cause
always
it's in
written in Japanese.
Japanese, So obviously this is catered for international fans.
Ooh,
Very
date stamp
good.
of 2024, hey? That's when they were making
Yeah.
these.
Yeah. Got to
So-
prepare for a long
And
time
the
ahead.
assembly looks really good. I mean, the detail is pretty amazing.
Hmm.
That's something that I've actually heard a lot about on this, is that the miniatures, like some guys have like been going like full tilt and going, these are better than GW, whatever, whatever. Like, I'm not here to compare.
I think they both have their own, you know,
strengths and weaknesses,
strengths, yeah.
definitely. But this from an assembly point of view, makes so much sense and it's great. So I'm loving
Awesome.
that.
Sweet. So there's a
Um,
Shah's one.
And then here is the
other-
007,
This is the-
007B
yeah.
Zaku 2.
This is the kneeling one, right? Or
Yeah, no, this is the kneeling one. Yes, you're right.
With the bazooka.
Yeah, I think this is Denim's one. And again, just beautiful detail there on the skirts. Cool stuff going on here. Lots of like nice bitey details to paint. And I think that's what's important about a miniature. It's one thing to like take something big and shrink it, but you actually have to make it interesting to paint.
Yeah.
And then here's the other one with the
With the axe, yeah.
axe.
Sweet. Okay, so
Okay.
obviously, you know, Paul and I are going to be sharing these miniatures, but how are we going to do that? It's going to play a game.
We're gonna play a game. So
Not the Gundam Card Game, because that will last too long.
yeah, no, we're not gonna
We
do
need
that.
to figure out the rules before we do that.
Okay, so
Because there's 3 miniatures, we're going to split into 2 like sides. So
Yeah.
there's like prize A, which is going to be Shah Zaku, and then prize B is going to be the other 2 Zakus. So we're going to play rock, paper, scissors? Best
Yeah,
to
I think
3,
so.
or-
I think that's the best way to go. And also, so basically the one who wins is the one who chooses.
Yes,
Like that's what
winner,
Jeff just said
winner
now.
has his preference pick.
Okay, so it's either basically between Shah or the other two.
Yeah.
That's how it goes. There's no like Shah and this one or whatever. It's either Shah or the other one.
Yeah.
So,
You
okay.
know, Shah, he's the ace, you know?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go from the back.
Okay.
Okay.
So are we doing like best of 3?
Best of 3.
Okay,
Okay.
right.
So it's like, okay.
You call for it.
I'll count first, then you count, then I count. Okay.
No, you can keep counting. It's all
Okay.
good.
But then I have control of my. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Tie.
Tie.
Rocks.
That's a tie. 3, 2, 1. Ah, 1 for Jeff. Okay, so Jeff, remember your score. Okay,
So
'cause
we're
I
doing
won.
one more, and then we'll
Um,
see if we need to do like.
We'll
a
do
sudden
one more.
death or
Let's see.
something.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh fuck.
Hey, so I've won twice. Out
Yeah,
of the
you've won
3.
twice.
Cool. So
Okay.
Are we?
No.
still going? Huh?
We've won twice. You've won twice. You get to
Yeah.
pick.
No, I'm just checking because you put your hand.
No,
behind
I'm just
you.
like I'm ready for the next one in case there's another one that's going down. Like I'm about to be like lizard.
Cool. So I pick that Paul will have his Shah.
Okay, so you're gonna take the 2 green ones.
Where's the Shah? Here you go.
That's my shot.
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you, Jeff.
Because it's Mr. Asnable.
Totally not rigged, by the way, guys. But I think it's really sweet of you. Thank you, dude. I
Sweet,
appreciate
yeah.
that.
They're keen
And-
to see how you paint yours.
Yes, I'm gonna paint him on our stream on Tuesday.
Yeah. So check out for our Twitch stream on Tuesday nights at 8:30. Yeah. And this coming week is going to be posted. So really cool to see how you paint it.
Yeah, I'm also quite excited to see how I'll paint it.
Yeah.
I have an idea. I have been
And
like
also
thinking of something.
I want to hear what your because you've done some Warhammer miniatures as well. Like
Yes, yeah.
a bit of comparison.
Get a feel for the plastic. Yeah, just to like hear my thoughts and like from based on what I'm used to. I also see it's got a bit of a flying stand. I don't know, but I'm gonna check that now. Now we're gonna look at the manual.
Yeah,
and
I think
stuff.
your one doesn't even need it. I think it's just like one single stand that they use for all the other assemblies.
Yeah, I think it's like the basic one.
Yeah.
I am excited to also do some diorama material on that as well. Make it
okay.
look like really
Cool.
interesting.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, sweet guys, and that is Gundam Card Game and Gundam Assemble preview.
Yes.
Let us know what you thought. Like, what do you think of this idea? Do you think it's a cool thing?
Yeah.
Are you like?
Are you guys into the Gundam card game? Like, let us know which one you're interested in. And also, reminder, we've got the boosters coming in next week. So, hold your horses.
Yeah.
And then speaking of which, when we do get the boosters, it's not just going to be, we've got boosters. There's going to be some special share the joy kind of thing. with you guys.
Happening.
Yeah.
Actually, we did want to tell you what we wanted to do with the cards.
Yes,
but we'll save that
yeah,
for the boosters
Yes, yeah.
video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
You guys. Sweet.
Awesome. Yeah.
Cool. And I just want to grab something to slam into the camera. Yeah.
Slam the record.
Cool.
Yeah.
So guys, as always, thank you for your patience. Thank you for being awesome. And be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. And remember to
Keep
building
playing joy.
joy. Gundam Assemble.